India and United Arab Emirates meet in a Group A clash of Women's Asia Cup in Dambulla on Sunday. Both teams have previously played against each other in the 2022 edition of the same tournament. India have the clear advantage going into the match and would eye a big win against the Minnows. Rangiri Dambulla International Stadium in Dambulla will host all the matches of Women's Asia Cup, where earlier 3 WT20Is have been played. On these 3 occasions, the team winning the toss has opted to bat. The average first innings score in WT20Is at this venue is 133 and the average second innings score is 124. India and UAE would be expected to remain unchanged for their respective first matches in the tournament unless there is an injury to a player. India women and UAE women have met only once in WT20Is, and that too in the 2022 Women's Asia Cup. Shefali Verma, India's dashing opening batter, will play a key role in India's campaign at the Women's Asia Cup. In her last 10 matches, she has scored 170 runs at an average of 21.25. Pooja Vastrakar has been consistent for India over the years, and in her last 10 matches, the right-arm medium-fast bowler has picked 16 wickets at an economy of 6.37. The star player of the UAE women's team, Isha Oza, has scored 2,074 runs in WT20Is, which includes 3 centuries and 9 50s. In her last 10 matches, Isha has scored 402 runs at an average of 57.43. Vaishnavi Mahesh has been a consistent performer for UAE in the T20 format. In her last 10 matches, she picked 15 wickets at an impressive economy of 5.06. Smriti Mandhana, the star opening batter of India, has scored 268 runs in the last 10 matches with an average of 38.29 at a strike rate of 119.11. Richa Ghosh, who has missed out India's last T20I series against South Africa, is making a comeback in this tournament. She would be an avoid pick for India. Kavisha Egodage, an experienced campaigner in the UAE lineup, she would play a key role in the Women's Asia Cup. In her last 10 matches, she scored 208 runs. Khushi Sharma is a weakling and would be an avoid pick for UAE because of her inconsistent performance in the last few matches. India women start favourites against the UAE side and have 95% chance to win the match. India have the edge because of their experience and the right set of players present in their lineup. Smriti Mandhana would be a great choice for captain, while Isha Oza will be a fine option for vice captain. And finally, our Fantasy 11 जिसमें विकेट कीपर्स होंगे ऋचा घोष, बैटर्स होंगे शेफाली वर्मा, स्मृति मंदाना, जिमैया रॉड्रिगस और हरमनप्रीत कौर। ऑलराउंडर्स में हैं ईशा ओजा, दीप्ति शर्मा और कविश एडोगाडे। 3 बॉलर्स होंगे पूजा वस्तारकर, राधा यादव और वैष्णवी महेश।